and welcome to a demonstration of a robot named Isla trying to hit this one, then this box, and this box, then this basket. This basket is hard to get because it's really small, and we might not get it every time. So the demonstration starts now.
Whoa!